There, you see, Petronas Twin Tower is color red, and they are doing the countdown now for the Chinese New Year. We are here in the front of our hotel room. We are in the 28th floor, lady. There, the Petronas Twin Tower, color red. And this is the Menara Tower. Menara KL, or the KL Tower. The red color also, all red color. This is the effect of the lights that they put in the night, or they on in the night. I can show to you the center of Kuala Lumpur. Merdeka 118, that one. The Merdeka 118. The red color also. Look so nice. In the daytime you cannot see like this color because it's bright color. In the night only, this is the effect of the lights that they put. So you see, very nice. I don't know that there are the Merdeka 118 is together. Having red, mostly red color, the buildings here. They put because it's Chinese New Year. Very nice. We are near in this area. We are in WTC, Daddy. World Trade Center, Kuala Lumpur.
You can go to your son's place, then to get another view.
I have fear of heights. I cannot look down so long, so I will go inside already. Now it's around 11:48, so some more few minutes and it's 12 midnight. They are doing the countdown. They have the in what the Bintang Walk. So many singing in the streets. Bukit Bintang area. It's 12 midnight. Have fireworks here. Our hotel here in the World Trade Center, Malaysia. There, the Petronas Twin Tower. So many you can see because it's 12 midnight. So they are lighting. Oh, there you can see the whole surrounding. Yeah, very nice. This is the nearest to our place. I cannot see that one I can see. This one is in the front of our hotel. This is in Kuala Lumpur, center of Kuala Lumpur. You can hear very noisy the surroundings. All the firecrackers. This is Chinese New Year here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Our breakfast is inside the hotel. We just ordered the food and making the drinks now. Daddy is making. Dad's food is nasi lemak. Because mostly the open now Chinese New Year are the Malay stall. So we bought this. My children bought this nearby. My food is shawarma with some of the Malaysian kueh. And Dad is making coffee and tea for us. That's it. Very hungry already. This is the lobby of our hotel, Chambers, Kuala Lumpur. Tadi have one. We are here in the front of our hotel, Chambers, Kuala Lumpur. Last time we booked na kami. And two of you go there like to choose. You know which one mommy and daddy can eat, mom. Mommy and daddy sit up.
Me.
There's one a fried rice. sauces. Grill and one can.
Prawns you want to do very long.
Oh.
I can very hard.
How do you call it? Steamboat Patles. We are here near in KLCC, beside in the Siam Pot or the buffet steamboat and grill. We are one family, our Chong family, together eating steamboat for our Chinese New Year dinner. What is this? Must have sauce, ma. They have sauce there. Oh.
Chili sauce.